Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday's lessons. Today we've got some fun activities for you. Writing is going to be very similar to yesterday, so let's get started. Again, our writing intention is the same, so I can write sentences that give information. We are going to label, that should say we've already labeled the parts of the kangaroo, and today we're going to write a sentence about the kangaroo again. This is so we can practice and continue on practicing on just focusing on the information we're giving rather than focusing on what are the different parts of a kangaroo, because learning about the kangaroo is not our main objective. That means it's not the point of our lesson. So why we're going to do kangaroos is because I love them as well. Okay. So let's get started. Now, again, so last time, a sentence on the tail. You might have done the tail, the legs, and the pouch, or you might have written two sentences. Today you're going to choose another part of the kangaroo. I'm going to choose the arms. So I'll put in on where it says parts, you need to write the part you chose. I'm choosing arms. So A, R, M, S. So arms. There we go. Now, once we've chosen our part, now we're going to use our describing word. How can I describe these arms? Well, I look at them and they look really short compared to the other parts of the body. So I'm going to write short arms. You might even write two arms, or you might even say straight arms, or whatever. Not really that straight, but it's up to you which describing word you'd like to use. Now we're going to put short arms into a sentence. So I'll be doing mine. You can either copy mine and then do your own, whatever works for you. You might do a different part. You might not even do arms. Your sentence is yours, but remember this is Mrs. DeBay modeling how to write your sentence and also how to remember how many words you've got and checking that you're actually writing the sentence with all the little words that are needed so it makes sense. Sometimes we forget these words. Okay, so let's start. Short arms. I want the reader and whoever's reading my sentence to know that a kangaroo has short arms. So I need to use the word kangaroo because that's my subject. I want to describe it. So I might say a kangaroo has two short arms because there are two. There's not just one. So I'm going to write that. A kangaroo has two short arms. 6 words just like yesterday. So a kangaroo has two, where did I get 6 from? Has two short arms. Full stop. All right, let's get started. So our first word was A, and remember a sentence starts with a capital. So A, and that's no matter what word it is. So a kangaroo. Now I'm copying the word kangaroo from the top. Your handwriting will look better than mine. A kangaroo. Has a kangaroo has. See how I'm rereading it? That's very important. Keep reading your sentence out loud until you've got the words on the page. A kangaroo has two has two short is a SH sound, or is OR, and T is the last sound you hear. Short has two short arms, and let's copy the word arms. A-R-M-S. So here is my sentence. What you're going to do is read it aloud with me to see if it makes sense. A kangaroo has two short arms. Yeah, that makes sense. I am also giving information, aren't I? I'm not giving my opinion. Fantastic. Now it's your turn. So your step one is to choose a part of the kangaroo and use one word to describe it, but you might even use two, like me in the sentence. Then you're going to put that into a sentence. This is the tricky part. Sometimes you have to say your sentence, actually a lot of the times, you need to say your sentence out loud before you write it. This helps you and your brain think, hey, does that make sense? If it sounds funny or if it sounds like someone's not making sense, that means you have to think of those little words that will make it better. Have a lot of fun with this writing activity. Complete your work in your doc, on a piece of paper, or you might even do paper and then take a photo for the teacher, or you might just give it to an adult to mark. Either way, enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you for the next lesson. Welcome to the book week activity. Today's our first book week activity for week 7. You are going to read the really fun book, The Unwilling Twin. This book is by the author Freya Blackwood, and it's a fantastic story. You can listen to it by clicking on the link or asking an adult to type this into your web computer for you. So your internet, sorry. After you've listened to the book, you might want to listen once, twice, however many times you'd like. Once you've done that, you are going to draw an amazing sandcastle of your own, just like the character in the story. So this amazing sandcastle can be ginormous, it can be small and detailed, it can have crazy sea creatures in there. Whatever you like, be as creative as you'd like. You can take some ideas from the book, use things like seashells, things you would see at the beach, to put as parts of your sandcastle. Have lots of fun. Remember, you can either draw and create on a piece of paper. You might even create on Paint 3D and then upload your picture. Whatever works for you. You might even just do a picture and show an adult at home. Either way, have lots of fun, and I can't wait to see your amazing work. Now welcome to handwriting. With handwriting today, we are focusing on the letter Y. The letter Y starts when there are lines on a page, you've got a top and a middle line normally. The letter Y starts in between that in an imaginary middle line. But here on Skygrass Dirt, and when we've got our three lines handwriting page, it's a bit easier. And we're going to have a go at practicing these. The letter Y starts from that top part where it's a green dot. It goes down. Oh, I have to go the other way for you guys. Down, and then has a long tail. So down, up, just like the letter U, and it keeps going and going, and then it goes into the dirt, goes under that line and gives it a monkey tail. So if you look up the first letter Y on Skygrass Dirt, go down, back up, keep your pencil on the page, go down and tail. Down, back up, not all the way to the sky, it's not a tall letter, but it does have a hanging tail under the ground. So here it would look like this. Down, up, hanging tail. And your hanging tail will look a lot better than mine. Mine didn't even reach the red dot. Oh my goodness, I'll need to try that again. So start on green, down and up, down and stop at the red dot. There you go. See, teachers make mistakes as well. And then on the next line, you can trace this Y and then have a go without any help. Hey, that's actually a nice Y. Oh, so close, Mrs. DeBay. Almost touched the bottom line. Okay, so try and practice your letter Y. You can ask an adult to create this same kind of page on a piece of paper for you to trace and then do your own. Or you can print this page out, but it's up to you. Whatever works. Either way, have lots of fun, and I can't wait to see your work on a doc, or I hope your parents enjoy seeing it and marking your work. Have fun, guys. At our 10 frame, guys. With the 10 frame, we're going to be doing subtraction again. Now with subtraction, remember it's all about taking away and finding a smaller amount as the answer. I'd like you to re-watch the fun videos that we had yesterday. You can either do this by clicking on the video link or asking an adult to type their name into YouTube and finding it that way. Either way, have fun, and then I look forward to practicing subtraction with 10 frames with you. Okay, so now let's work together. The first one has been done for us. So nice and easy, we had 3 dots and we took one away. How many do we have left? So there were 3, 1 was crossed off, 2 are left. Now we've got 6 dots. So our next question, 6 dots, 4 are taken away. This time, so yesterday the crosses were there for you. Today, you're going to take off the crosses. So we've got 1, 2, I need to make sure I take away 4 only. Okay, 3, 4. There we go. 4 have gone. I don't want them anymore. How many do I have left? I have 1, 2. So the answer, 6, take 4 away, will leave me with 2. You can also check your answers by using your fingers. So let's put 6 fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take 4 of your fingers away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are left? 1, 2. So yes, we were correct. And we can also check by looking. The answer is definitely smaller than 6. It's a smaller amount, so we're probably on the right track. Next question. 9, take 5 away. So we have 9 on the 10 frame. We need to take 5. So goodbye 5. Let's say goodbye to 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots, sorry, have gone. Now how many do we have left? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 dots left. So we would put 4 over here. There we go. Now it's your turn. So then, here we go. Here is your page of work. You've got the first question is 1 take 0. So that means you don't take any away. How many would you be left with? 9 take 2. So you've got 9, take 2 away. How many would you have left? Okay, have fun with the subtraction questions. Enjoy. Remember, if you'd like to put your work on the doc, take a photo of it, put it on. You could even just show me your question answers on the doc, whatever works for you. You might even do it on paper, copy the questions on a piece of paper, and then do that and give it to an adult to see and check. Whatever works. Have lots of fun with maths. Have a great learning day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.